Hey divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'll be doing a hair tutorial in which I tone this blonde, the 613 blonde wig. It looks so Barbie, and I don't like to see that. Maybe that's your style, but trust me, that's not mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and tone this to this nice ashy beige blonde. So if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. So first I went ahead and pinned the wig down on the mannequin, but then I think to myself, no, I don't want to add the product to the dry hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run it through some warm water in order to open the cuticles, all the cuticles up. So I went ahead, did that, and return it back to the mannequin. After pinning it down, I went ahead and started mixing up my products. And also this wig, there's nothing much you can do to the front because it's a T-part wig, so all you have to wear it in is just the center part. It is 8 inches, and trust me, they did a good cut on this. It was even all the way across, and this wig I got from Amazon. So now I'm going to move on and mix out my contents. Right here you can see me brushing it out to ensure that it's not tangled or anything, so I'm just detangling it to ensure that the process goes smooth. So to tone the wig today, we'll be using the Wella T15 toner. It's a pale beige blonde along with some 20 volume developer. So the measurement is a bottle of Wella toner to 2 bottles of developers. So for this wig, I'll be going in with 2 bottles of toners. So therefore, I'll need 4 bottles of the developer. So the same bottle that I pour the toner from, that's what I'm going to use to measure out the developer. I hope you guys get this right. That's what I said. So I did went ahead and adjust the extra bit. When I finished pouring out the contents, I added just a little bit because not everything came from the bottle, so I want to ensure that the measurement is actually not kind of approximate. So I went ahead, stir, ensure that all the contents were mixed together before applying it to the unit. Now it's time to add that toning mixture to the hair, and because I had time today, I decided that I would just go ahead and use the brush instead of putting it on the countertop or in the sink and just pouring the entire mixture and then rubbing it in and brushing it to ensure that everything gets saturated. So I'm going to just go in with my brush and work in sections. I didn't have my clips with me, so I didn't go ahead and clip it up, and you will see where it's giving me like it's getting in my way. So I'm going to start working from the top down, and I'm going to do this process all throughout the ear until everything is done. Now that all the hair is saturated, I'm just going in to ensure that I didn't miss any spot, and because I had extra left, I'm just ensuring that I just get rid of everything instead of pouring it down the drain. Once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with a plastic bag, and look at it. That color, when you see the color looking like that, don't be alarmed. That means the toner is working. Just trust the process. I'm just going to go ahead, cover it, let it steam for like 20 minutes, then come back, and this is how it looks when I get back. So I'm just checking it to ensure that everything has that color before rinsing it out. Once it's that color, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, and I'm going to be using some lukewarm water. I won't be using hot or cold water. I'll be using lukewarm water. Rinse it out just with conditioner. So I'll be using just conditioner to rinse it out, and then going with the, what you call it, the bamboo shampoo, the conditioner from, yes, the silicone mix. And trust me, that brings anything to life, or almost to life. It's gonna leave the hair feeling smooth and soft. It's gonna bring it back if it's damaged. And as I said earlier, I'll be rinsing out the toner using lukewarm water instead of hot water, because you don't want to reverse the process. And after doing it with the lukewarm water, I'm going to go in with the conditioner, rinse it out with lukewarm water again, then go in with the silicone mix. When I'm rinsing out the silicone mix, I'm going to be using cold water because I want to lock in every single moisture. And look at it, as you can see, we have this nice beige blonde. So I'm gonna let it sit overnight, air dry, and come back with the final result. And here you go, guys. This is it the next day after it has been air dried and everything. I decided that I wouldn't style it. I'll just let it stay with that natural wave that it gets after washing it. So all I'll be doing is just going in with my hot comb and try to tame the front, add some biosilk oil, and that's basically it. Look at how beautiful that color is. For all those who think that it didn't tone, I'm going to show you a comparison with a wig that is not yet toned. So look how beautiful that color is. It's gonna look so good installed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming in. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.